Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a product review, something that is beauty related, but it starts from the inside of your body. For those of you who don't know, I've been on a weight loss journey for about a year and a half, close to 2 years. So far I have lost, I think it's about I want to say close to 30 pounds, if not just a little bit more than that. And it's been a long road. It's been honestly a long road. But that brings up to, what this review is. This is not a shortcut to losing weight by any means. So please, disclaimer there. This is not a shortcut to losing weight, but I find that this helps manage my cravings, and it helps manage my hunger from always wanting to snack. So what I'm going to talk about is the Arbonne chocolate protein shake powder. So this is a brand new bag, hasn't been opened. I just made a purchase for 2 of these bags. It is vegan, and it's certified vegan and gluten-free. This is a plant-based protein, and it's in chocolate flavor. There are 2 options. You can get either chocolate or vanilla, and I just really find that this is the one that does not hurt my stomach compared to other protein powders out there on the market. No, this is not sponsored by any means. This is just my, me being real as per usual and telling you guys what I have loved for, it's been over a year now since I've been using this protein powder. I just purchased 2 bags of the chocolate, and I leave one here at my house, and then the second bag I'm going to be leaving at my boyfriend's house, so that whenever I'm there, I do have protein powder there, and he can use it whenever he needs to. So on the back of this ginormous bag, first of all, it comes with a scoop. The regular recipe is 2 scoops per 270 milliliters, and that 2 scoops will give you at least 20 grams of protein, 4 grams of rice protein. What else? Then there's a whole bunch of other good stuff like flaxseed, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, thiamine, niacinamide, vitamin B6, folate, vitamin B12, biotin, which is great, calcium, iodine, magnesium, zinc, selenium, copper, manganese, chromium, and molybdenum, sodium malobate, whatever that is. Anyways, if you look them all up, they're all good stuff for your body. It's kind of like taking a multivitamin, but in a shake form, which is really fun, because who wants to be gulping down horse pills for multivitamins? Not to mention that there's protein in here, so it keeps you full a lot longer. So the source of protein helps you build and repair body tissue. So for me, I work out. I work out 3 to 4 times a week, and I do weight lift, not just cardio. So whenever you weight lift, you need to rebuild your broken tissues in your muscles, and protein helps do that. So this is another good reason why I also take the protein shake as well. Source of amino acids involved in muscle protein synthesis, provides support for healthy glucose metabolism, helps maintain proper muscle function. It provides 160 calories, 3.5 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbohydrates, 2 grams of fiber, and 9 grams of sugar, and 480 milligrams of sodium. So the macros on here are, quite decent. The sugar is low, and the fiber is about 2 grams, which is still a little low, but that's fine. I get my fiber elsewhere. And it's low on fat as well. So I do like this for that reason. Normally when I drink this, it is either right after a workout or it's replacing a meal for me. Like if, I don't know, I forget to eat a meal, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and I need something to, boost my energy, this is what I will use. Mainly I use this after I work out, but there are days where I don't have time to eat. And when I don't have time to eat, I need to get my nutrients and my protein somehow, and this is how I do it. A lot of the times I will, it says to mix it with water, but a lot of the times I will mix it with almond milk, coconut milk. You can even use regular milk if you're not vegan. You can use regular milk if you really want to. But I use, and I'm not vegan, keep in mind, so I use almond milk with this, and I just find that it works great. Almond milk is low in calorie and low in sugar, so it does help with my weight loss. I am not vegan by any means, but I do find that this does not like disrupt my stomach and digestion. A lot of protein powders out on the market really make me gassy, and this one just doesn't do that. So I'm grateful for that. And I have to say, even though it is pricey, it's worth it because it really helps maintain my weight, and it helps me not binge eat a lot of garbage. What I normally like to do, and I'll give you guys a quick recipe. With the chocolate protein powder, I like to do 2 scoops of the protein powder. I will do 2 cups of almond milk, and I will put in a whole banana and a tablespoon of peanut butter. And I will mix that in my NutriBullet, and I have a chocolate, peanut butter, and banana protein shake, which tastes amazing, can I just say. So that has been my go-to. I mean, you can add any type of fruit if you really want to, but that's my go-to when I need to recover from a workout, or I'm using it as a meal replacer, and I find that it does the job for me. It works great. This big bag, the bag you get is 1350 grams, so 1,350 grams. It'll last me a few months because I don't have this every single day. I have it a couple times a week. So this bag will last me, like the last one I bought was in, I want to say March, April, and I'm at the very end of that bag. So like I still have a few scoops to go, but I'm getting close to the end of that bag. And I feel like maybe it'll last for about 6 to 8 months, depending on how often you use this. If you use this every day, then it might take less time, but I don't use this every day, and you know what? It does the job for me. So I did repurchase 2 bags, and I'm excited. I have a backup waiting to be cracked open, and the second one is going over to my boyfriend's house for when I'm there, and for whenever he needs it as well, because he does work out as well. So that's it. I just love this stuff. This stuff is amazing. It does the job. I don't have any complaints. It doesn't ruin my stomach. I feel like it goes well with my stomach. It tastes great. It doesn't taste too powdery. A lot of protein powders will taste like very powdery. This does not do that either, for me anyways. Now keep in mind, I'm not using water with this. I'm using a milk source, whether it's almond milk, coconut milk, or regular milk. I am using a milk source. So just keep that in mind. If you are going to have it with just water, it might be a little more powdery. But for me, I don't find it powdery using it with almond milk. So I think to each their own. You guys are going to have to try it out yourself. Now, Arbonne is not sold in stores. You have to find an Arbonne rep. And I went through so many different Arbonne reps, a couple different ones, and I finally found one that I absolutely love and adore. She's amazing. I really do want to, refer anyone. If anybody is interested, please let me know, and I can definitely send you a referral to her. She is great. She is very responsive. She will give you your options on, different options on, you know, based on your budget, on what you need, like what you're willing to spend. And then, you know, she gives out free gifts for, you know, certain options that are, you know, that are up for free gifts when you make a purchase. So, you know, just saying, if anybody is interested in, you know, trying anything from Arbonne, or in particular the protein powder that I'm recommending, please let me know, and I can definitely flip over a recommendation referral to you. But until then, you know, just, you guys, stay beautiful, stay gorgeous on the inside and out. And remember to remove your makeup off at night. I always say that to you guys when I do skincare. This is another thing that you know, that helps keep my skin decent, is the protein powder, because it's got so many good, you know, nutrients in it, and I find that it really, you know, helps me level off in general, all around. Hunger, skin, health, it's all good. So, if I didn't mention to you, the bag is about $85 if you're not a Arbonne repetitive customer. If you are a repetitive customer, it's about 71 and change, and that's Canadian dollars. It is an expensive protein powder, but it's worth it. I don't think I will ever veer off of that protein powder, just because it is my favorite. It does do wonders, and I don't, you know, I don't see myself getting off of it anytime soon, because it's definitely a staple in my weight loss routine, and I find that it does work. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. This was a quick review, nothing, you know, too fancy. If you have any questions about the protein powder, leave them down below, and I will get back to you. And I thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.